How to put trademark in your Clash Royale name. If you want to put trademark symbol to your Clash Royale name, here's a quick and easy guide. Open your Clash Royale application. First, you have to copy the trademark symbol from your phone's keyboard or an online source. You can also type it manually. Then tap onto the three horizontal lines. From the pop-up, select Supercell ID. Select gear icon from the top left corner. Then tap on change. In the name field, tap and paste the trademark symbol next to your username. Some symbols may not be supported, so test different placements. Then you have to tap on continue and your Clash Royale name with trademark will be saved. And that's it. Now your Clash Royale name looks even cooler with trademark.